Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be discussing how you can actually customize the time and color of your iPhone lock screen. What you need to do is you just need to hold your thumb into your screen, and you see that it will ask for you a passcode. You just give it and the screen will go like this. And in the bottom section you see that there is a customize option. You just need to tap on it, and then it will ask you which section you want to customize, the home screen or the main screen. So the lock screen, or basically the home screen. So I'm going for the lock screen, as we are adjusting the time color. So just tap on it and it will show you something like this. You just need to click on the time settings, and then you see that there are some fonts which you can select from. And for example, I have just selected this font. I can go for this font and I can actually reduce the size. You see that there are some changes going on, and therefore I can change the color of the time as well in the bottom of the corner, and I can adjust the time accordingly like this. You see, so that's how you can actually change the font, or and you can also change the color of your home lock screen time. I hope this helps you in adjusting your customizing your lock screen. If you still didn't get it, just let me know and I'll try to do it as for you again. Just tap on a done section and it's done, just like this. So I'll tell you again, I'm locking the phone, and I'll again showing you. Just press the lock the screen button again. Just tap on the right bottom corner. It will show you unlock to edit. Just tap it again, just like this. Just need to tap like this. It's a double tap. For example, if you tap like this, it will show you something like this. I'm putting the home screen button again. I'll show you. Just tap like this. It will ask you unlock to edit. Tap again and it will show you enter passcode. You just need to give your passcode, and then a screen like this will come up. Just tap on a customize section, and then you have to do what you were doing before. Thank you very much for watching the video. I hope I have sorted the issue out, and if you still want more becoming videos like this or tutorial, just let me know and I try to figure out as well. Thank you very much. Bye bye.